I would like to thank Professor Ada Tagar Cohen and Professor Kim Jong-woo for giving me an opportunity to say congratulations for the workshop co-organized by CISMOR and Iktinos. My order is written in our program saying, greetings from Korea. Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you. This online conference is even more significant because it is rare for Korean and Japanese biblical scholars to come together for an academic feast. In particular, Professor Ada Tagar Cohen attends not only on behalf of CISMOR, but also on behalf of the Jewish side. So this meeting is literally an international conference, which will add a lot of variety to this meeting and will also be celebrated. This meeting reminds me of international cooperation more than 200 years ago in the early days of Bible translation in Southeast Asia. For example, the first Korean New Testament, the first Korean version of the New Testament, which used a Korean alphabet exclusively for the general public, were printed by the Shenyang Bible Publishing House in China. And the first Korean versions, which used mixed scripts of Chinese and Korean for the educated intellectual class, were printed by the Yokohama Gospel Printing Company in Japan. The Yokohama Gospel Printing Company in Japan had published not only the Korean Bible, but also Bibles, hymnals, and Christian books from various Southeast Asian countries, including China and the Philippines, before the Kanto Great Earthquake. Prior to publication of the Asian Language Bible, the three Western Bible Societies, such as the American Bible Society, the British and the Foreign Bible Society, and the National Bible Society of Scotland, three of them worked together to translate the Hebrew Bible and the Greek New Testament, canon of the whole Bible, into Asian languages, including Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. Although it is a very short conference from 10:30 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. today, I am convinced that this will greatly contribute to the development of biblical studies in East Asia, and I would like to congratulate the workshop once more. Let us have a fruitful workshop. Thank you.